Hello friends, as you guys know, a lot of people do a lot of DIY projects from pallet woods, recycled pallet wood. So I probably got inspired from them and made this shed or pergola or men's cave, whatever you want to call it. Everything is made from recycled pallet woods. Nothing has been bought from the market. So let me take you a little tour inside how it looks. First of all, I'm doing my garden while making it, but I'm sure I'll probably manage to grow it back. So the idea was to probably first to make a little patio type and then move our garden sofa there. But then as we kept along going, the ideas and thoughts went on growing. So I was gonna buy some wood, but then my 13-year-old son said, no dad, let's make everything from recycled wood. And as you can see, the ceiling or the roof, whatever you want to call it, it's from pallet woods. These pillars are they are made from pallet wood as well. They are 5 or 6 stick together and then made the pillar out of them. And then we were going to make some benches here, but we thought car seats are much more comfortable and relaxing. And another reason we put car seats here is, let me show you why. I can sit upright or I can go in relaxing mode. I simply pull it and then recline it and relaxing, and that is why we put the car seats rather than the benches or sofa. Another thing we did was made some space saving tables and small little tables to keep our drinks. Now these tables can be taken out. We got one in that corner, one in this corner. They can simply be taken out and kept there. And then we made a small little bar there, and if I'm thirsty, all I have to do is simply get a bottle, open it, sit here, relax. Now it's a bit chilly out here. It's about 10 or 12 degrees, and that's why we got heaters as well. Lights and heaters, everything work. Let me show you. Let me turn them on. The lights are on. I'll turn on the heating. We got a small little space under the car seat. And our heater is on. And right now, whatever the temperature is outside, about 10, 12, 15 degrees, I do not feel any cold just because the heating is so powerful. I hope you guys like it. And thanks for watching. And if you get inspired, do something in your own garden. Thanks for watching. Right. And guys, these are the total tools we use to make this garden shed. A crowbar and a hammer to break the pellets, a measuring tape, angle grinder to cut the nails out of pallet wood, a jigsaw to cut the pallet wood, and a normal home drill, and a leveler or a balancer, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, these are the tools we use to create the whole project. Thank you.